Good morning again, everyone. It is February 1st. We're going to check the baby rabbits, then see if we can breed Acrobat again. Looks like Acrobat got more hay and fur in there, if it's possible. She just seems to be nesting like crazy this time around. She nested a couple weeks early, and then made a great nest the day she had babies, and then since then she has added more fur and hay to the nest twice. She's just, I guess, being an overachiever this time, which I'm not going to complain about. Ooh, jumping beans, hello. Oh, so fat. 1, 3, 5, 7, and maybe I miscounted. Okay, let's recount. 3, 5, 8. Okay, one must have just crawled away and gotten into the baby pile. We have 8 babies, hooray! Okay, so he's been chasing her for a while, and she isn't letting him breed. One thing I haven't done this month for breeding that I did do last month was check her vent before I tried breeding her to see if she was ready to breed or not. It's not something I usually do, which is kind of obvious because I forgot about it this time, but maybe I should go ahead and do that and see what's going on with her. Okay, Acrobat, come here. Good, mommy, good girl. It's looking to me super pale. I can't get a good angle. Whoa, you guys, look at that. It's not pale. It's like super red and ready. Why is the flash keep coming on and off? That's weird. Okay. Oh, but look, she has all these bald patches all on her belly from pulling fur. Look at this nipple. That's a good nipple, mommy. Good job. And there's the flash again. Okay, yeah, look at this bald patch on her leg from pulling fur. That's good. So her body looks ready to have babies, just her brain is not letting her. She doesn't want to. You're being a good boy, though. Keep trying. It's like a little dance. Yes, yes, yes. I think she's doing all the right things. Maybe. Kind of. Keep trying. Almost there. Come on, Acrobat. You can do it. You can do it. Lift. Your body's ready. Lift, girly, lift. No, nothing. Yes! Success! Did you see that? I love how they snort all the time, like, woo! One successful fall off. So we had one yesterday, and so far, another one today. After I flipped her over and checked her, she's acting way different than before I checked her. Yay! This is our third fall off. So 1 fell off yesterday and 3 today. We're going to end the breeding session, put the rabbits away, and then consider her officially bred and expect babies in about a month. Hooray!